Hey guys, today I will be doing a little review or try on of a new product I got, and it is probably not going to focus on my phone camera because it's like a really pretty shiny packaging box it comes in, but is the La Palette Beauty Double Mesh Blur Pact. I have mine in shade 21. It has an SPF of 50 plus. So basically what this is, it is, if I'm not mistaken, a K-Beauty product, so I can't read the good majority of this. I did have, yeah, I didn't think this one through. I did have more information like saved on this product on my phone, but like I'm recording with my phone right now, so I can't pull that up. Like, very smart, Emily, right? But it comes in this cute packaging. They have lots of different choices, like designs for your little compact cover. Mine is the pink, I think it's called pink leather. Of course it's like fake leather, but it's really cute. You get 0.44 ounces or 12.5 grams. Did I say grams? Yeah, grams of product. So that's good. I'm gonna stop this for a second. Now, I did receive this product from Charis Celeb, but I'm not being paid to talk about this. I was sent the product for free, but it's not required for me to be talking about this like in a video review, so I'm just, I just wanted to talk about it. And my shop link is hicharis.net/Emily reviews, but I will have all that in the description as well. Alright, so I just switched the view now so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. I am using one hand to hold my phone, so that's why I'm like only holding this product with one hand. But I think it actually like kind of lets me show you how easy it is to open. It has this little like button. Well, it's how it locks into place right here, but to open it you just gently compress it and it'll come open. It has a mirror on the inside, which mine is very dirty, and had I realized that, I would have cleaned it before filming this video, but I didn't realize that at the time. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I meant to show this product in a video, like me trying it on for the first time before I actually used it, but I have used this, so everything is a bit different, you know. It comes with this nice little like puff sponge applicator type of thing, but you don't have to use this. I feel like it makes it easier if you use this to at least get the product on your face and then use whatever kind of brush or sponge you'd usually use for your foundation. So yeah, comes with that on top, and then underneath I do like that has this on top. I'm not sure if all cushion foundations, I know there's some from the drugstore, I just forget who all has them. I think L'Oreal has one, but I forget who else. So like you open this up, and that's just the cover basically. It did originally come with a seal over this, but I'm trying to show you if it'll pick up. It might not. It just kind of looks interesting on camera, since I have like product in it, but it's this, hang on, it's mesh, so the product comes through here, but if you can tell like where the product is and where it isn't, you just push down, preferably with the little sponge applicator thing you get, the puff. But you can just push down on it, the product will come up through, so that's why I was saying like you don't have to use that, you can kind of just like push up however much you need through the mesh. It's like a double layer of mesh, so it does keep it a bit more sanitary than if it was one layer. Supposedly, I'm not sure how to test that. But this is the shade I have. Okay, I just stopped the video for a second because I feel like I was just rambling on. I need to grab something. Anyways, this is the shade I have. It's shade 21, and I think it matches my skin tone alright. So I'm going to attempt to show me using this on camera. Yeah, I've never done that in a video before. I know that seems weird, but I don't think I've ever shown like an actual video of me applying makeup. So I might do that soon, just like what I like to wear in a day or something like that, like my usual makeup routine. But yeah, I'm gonna try to switch it over to my face right now, and apologies in advance if it bothers anyone, like it probably will, but my face, I'm not that badly broken out right now, but I feel like it shows up much worse on video than it does when I'm just taking a picture. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just a bit like paranoid with that for some weird reason, but like for the most part, I did try to wait for my face to clear up a little bit for me to show how this product works. Well, not how it works. Well, yeah, how it works, but how it looks on my face, because it is a bit of a lighter coverage in my opinion. So anything on my face right now is mostly just redness or scarring, but I do apologize in advance, like, if that somehow bothers you. Alright, so far I just, I had, like, the extra product on my finger, and I didn't have a tissue or something to wipe it off on, so that's just what's on my face so far. But, like, when you dip the little, I don't know if I can show this right now. I'm gonna get something on myself. But when you dip the little puff into like this mesh compact, the product will come up through. If you can tell now, there's like much more product on the top. So I don't know. I wish I could show like both at the same time, if that makes sense. But I mean, I think it's easier to just show it on my face. So yeah, it kind of just like goes on your face. And I don't usually use like a sponge kind of little applicator like this, but I don't know. I feel like it's easier to use this to get it out of the compact because it's kind of like not as messy. So I'm just going to probably use this to get it on my face, and then I have a different brush nearby so I can like really blend it in. I also didn't think through too well like what to say during this part, so sorry if this is a little bit boring to watch. Again, I will have like the full name, title, whatever of this little compact foundation in my description. I will also have a link of where you can purchase it from. It is my like specific link URL, but it does give you a, whoops, that's my eyebrow. It does give you like a bit of a discount from like whatever the full price would be if you just went to buy this product. I'm not sure what it currently is now, but usually it's about 20% cheaper, something like that, when you use my link, like on average. I mean, I can't promise that this one is still. I'm not sure what the current promotion is anymore. Like I said, did not completely think this one through, but I did want to still show this product because I hadn't seen, okay, this is like not exactly working with my hand, but I don't think I had seen any reviews on this, so like I don't think it's horrible. I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, when I'm done, I'll try to show kind of like a final face, if you will. Sorry, my nose itches. I'm not picking my nose, I promise. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna like cut the video for a second. Not before I completely finish, but just so I can kind of get some more on with this little sponge, and then, I don't know, show it like blended out on my face. Like I'll show it blending out, yeah. Okay, so I ended up not using a different brush. Like I haven't used one yet anyways. I just kind of, like I'd had some, I think the last time I showed it, I had like more product. How did I get a hair on this? Hang on. is not going to be probably because I don't have my hair pulled back, but in any case, I just had like extra product on my forehead, so I kind of like blended it out, buffed it out with this little sponge, and it, you know, seemed to work pretty well. As far as like what else I can say about this product so far, like I feel like it lays nice on the face. It doesn't get cakey because it is like a nice, almost like the consistency of a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. I don't know if I said that already. But yeah, it seems to wear pretty well. I wouldn't be making a video saying like I recommend something if I didn't. Let's see, plus sides, this product that I can think of, I would say like typically I wouldn't think to travel with a bottle of foundation, like, you know, day-to-day use, like in my purse or something. I wouldn't think to travel with a whole bottle of foundation because that will probably just spill everywhere. And it's not the most practical for touch-ups, but this in the little compact, like I feel like it's so much easier if you want to like touch up your makeup throughout the day. Though I do feel like this stays on pretty well. It gives, you know, it's not bad on coverage, but it doesn't like cover all signs of acne. Most foundations wouldn't though. Like this is kind of, like I think it did a pretty good job on my face, you know? So yeah, instead of me rambling on, I'm not quite sure what else to say right now. Let's see. If you have any video ideas for me or anything you'd like to see me do, please leave it down below in the comments, because I am trying to actually get more into YouTube, like uploading more, but I feel like I always think that and then I just get so lazy because I don't know what to upload aside from like the usual stuff that I could be doing every month. But I don't know, I want to do something like a little bit more unique. I know like a lot of people share the same ideas and that's fine, that's great, but yeah, I just, you know, be cool to do something a little bit different. So if you can think of anything, please leave a comment down below and give this video a like, subscribe for more videos coming soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!